west and parallels are your latitude lines. Now, if you leave from some destination on one of these latitudes and you move in a westerly direction, your heading should always be at 270 degrees to the west. And if you depart and move to the east, your heading should be at 90 degrees east. Well, it so happens that that this doesn't work on Google Earth, and I'll show you why. You would think on Google Earth that if you went east, you would be heading 90 degrees, and if you went west, you would be heading 270 degrees. But that's not how it works, and I'm going to show you the proof of it. Okay, here's Google Earth, and what I did, I took a line and I moved from the eastern United States and I headed in a westerly direction, and I wanted to make sure that I was going to stay on 270 degrees west around this latitude line, which would take you into Japan and then into parts of China if you stay on this latitude line. But what I found out was that if you stay on a heading of 270 degrees west, you will end up in Australia. And there's the heading. You can't fake that. There's no way to fake this. And right there is the heading. Let's zoom in on it here. I hope this will come in clear enough so that you can see that there's nothing screwy going on around here with this. I hope this is going to show it clear enough. The heading is at the bottom, 270 degrees, and it's off just a little bit because it's almost impossible to get that thing set on 270 degrees west perfectly. So you're going to have a little variance, but still yet 270 degrees west took me to Australia. Isn't that freaky? Okay. Let's back out. Go back to the globe again. Anybody can test this that uses Google Earth. Anyone can test it. All you need to do is just bring it up on your Google Earth maps. Make sure you depart from some location to the east heading west, or from west heading east. And there it is. So if you want to trust the globe, people, go right ahead. But something's wrong here. This shouldn't be happening this way. I've got my own opinions on what they've tried to do with the maps here, and I'll try to show this to you. If I can. Okay. On the flat Earth map, as the sun moves around the flat Earth, you have a deflection angle that follows a curved latitude line. The latitude lines are not straight parallel lines, except in the the fact that they're supposed to be equal from each other. But anyway, I think what they did was use an angle like this to make it fit the globe, to make this fit the globe model. But I think the real angle actually heads off in a northwesterly direction, the true angle of the latitude. That is on the flat Earth map, not on the globe map. Now, anybody that has any thoughts or ideals on this, let me know, especially you flat earthers out there that are interested in this. This is something we need to really try to figure out, why there's so much of a discrepancy between moving loosen this thing up. When moving from east to west, you should not have a deflection angle moving either direction. Really, on the globe, you should be following a flat parallel line around the globe at the somewhere in the northern hemisphere or even in the southern hemisphere. And it's interesting to mention that in the southern hemisphere, if you leave from a certain location, say in the south, your angle tends to vary to the northeast as you head east. So give me your thoughts and ideals on this, and maybe together we can all figure it out. But I hope I've explained this well, and if I hadn't, do your own experiments. Don't trust what I say about this. Do your own experiments. Use Google Earth